What DJ McCain, Ryan McCain, the RM Tune Black Plague has here for LDR. Can we get this thing into the O's? Or if we can definitely knock one up like T-ball. Get a 3-second ride out of here. But they'll say, look, hey, we'll take anything with the 4 O's. Dutton, they'd be happy with an O as well.
Callie Drew in the house. Candles lit, looking pretty good. Here comes Dutton, top end about 405 at 178. And look at DJ McCain and the crew. They're going crazy out there. 405, a new LDR career pass for DJ McCain goes number 7. Tim Dutton, 411 at 192, going to go number 14.
That's right. Ira Mac, Big Lester, and everybody else. It's a party in the pits tonight. They said, look, we don't need another qualifier because we're finna crack open the cold ones, fire up the grill. We got a 405 hot rod right here, and it is all smiles. If they'll just get Bowser and Nemesis to act right, they're going to have a good camp out there. That's right, my man. Out there. 405 and you're out the career back.